Hey guys, so before we get jumping into our unboxing for the month of September from Boxycharm, I just want to come on here and say thank you to all of you guys who have DM'd me and commented to me and asking me and hoping that everything has gone okay and smoothly with our transition. If you guys don't know, we just moved into a new house, so it has been a little bit of a stressful couple of weeks, I should say. But yeah, we're gonna get started into our very first unboxing for the month of September, obviously from Boxycharm. Just an FYI, we will not be doing a try-on haul this time. I know the last couple times we have been doing it and you guys love it, and I love doing it too. It's just that we are currently in the renovation process, and I was able to get them to just not do renovations for like an hour or two so I can get some of my pre-filming done. So I'm kind of on a tight schedule, so I figured that next month I will be right back into it and we're gonna do it try-on style. But for this month, we're just gonna do it plain old, good old unboxing. So let's do this. This month's theme is wildflowers, and then all of the information about what it retails for, all the products that are going to be in here is going to be down below. The very first thing we have here is the Laura Geller New York Baked Blush and Brighten, and this here is in the shade Tropic Hues. Ooh, that's really pretty. I don't know if I own this one, but I do own a few of her Laura Geller products. They are a good blush. It's just that sometimes I don't always go towards them because I do have a little bit of scarring left. And when I use something that has a reflection to it, I do find that it, you know, shows it a little bit more than a matte blush. But it's still a beautiful color. So yeah. I love the packaging of these. Look at this, you guys. So it looks like we are getting another product from Alamar, and this here is now her brushes. I think as a first set of brushes to come out with in our Boxycharm, this is like the perfect duo because you can do just about any eye look using just these three brushes. So I'm really excited to try these out and see how they work. They're really soft. The next thing we have here, what is this? Butter London Stroke of Wow Roll-On Precision Liner. Shake me up. All right. Didn't MAC have something like this? That is thin. I'm trying to create like a wing on my arm. So if I did it like this, I just don't know how you would do like a sharp wing. You get what I'm saying? I'm interested to see what it's like. I don't know that it's going to be easy to do a winged liner, but I think if you were trying to create like just a liner above the lash line, it could definitely be something that's easy to work with. But the next thing I have in here, oh, that's just beautiful, is by Lorac, and this here is the Lorac Pro Liquid Lipstick, and the shade that I got in is in Deep Burgundy. Oh, I wish I had more time to film. This would be such a beautiful color. My Lanta, look at that shade. Honey. Oh, yes. I'm so ready for fall, you guys. I'm so freaking ready. Here the other day, we had like all cloudy day and it only got up to 62, and I wore a sweater and jeans all day. It was amazing. And then we had soup at night. Oh, this is awesome. Oh, man. I want to film so bad with this. The next thing I have here is by Nightingale, and this is by Pretty Vulgar Cosmetics, which we have seen a lot of their products through various unboxings that we've done here on my channel, so I am familiar with this company. The, ooh, it's an eyeshadow palette. Very cool. I like these colors though. They're very cool tone, and you guys, I am a huge sucker for cool tone colors. I love everything about cool tone colors. Oh, my lipstick. Let's see. All right. Got yourself a brown. Ooh, whoa. I was not expecting this. A deep like silver. Wow, look at that. I think it's a really cool palette. I like the detail to it. I think it's really cute. I'm interested to see how it plays with. This is going to be super cool tone, which I'm all about. This is going to be amazing. I'm definitely going to film with this because I want to play around with that eyeshadow palette so bad. So that is my plan. I'm going to plan tomorrow to film a video using our Boxycharm goodies. I actually like the idea of this month's box because I honestly feel like it was a complete set of everything you needed. You got the eyeshadow, liquid lipstick, blush, brushes, you know, all that stuff, and I think that's pretty awesome. So I'm excited to play around with it and create a look for you guys. And if you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and make sure to hit that subscribe button before you head out if you are not a part of my family. Otherwise, I will see you guys all in my next video, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.